Hello everyone, this is the course of Python for Data Science, and in this video lecture we will give you the syntax overview like variables, data types and basic operations. So let's see what is Python variables. Python variables are basically the containers that store the values. So let's see some examples. Here we take var as a variable name and assign it a value called assign it a string basically called Python, and then we if we print it, it gives us the variable name whatever we assigned. And then if we take if we are using variables called age, salary and name to store different types of data, and like an integer, a floating point number and a string respectively. Then if we print the respective variable name, then it display basically it displays the values that stored in the variables. In this example, if we basically use the same we basically use the same, and the variable starts referring to a new value and new type. Here we assign a equal to 10 initially, and then we assign a equal to Python later in this code. And then if we print the value of a, the value of the finally if we print it, so print statement displays the current value of a, which is the string Python. So this is the Python variable, and I hope you understand the context of the Python variables. Thank you.